We gotta walk back like a quarter-mile in the rain. Got my phone on me. This ain't looking too good. Whoo, it's deep. All right, guys. Second fish of the day. Second one of the day. Not too bad. I have 2. Jane has 0. Because he's a shitty. No, I'm kidding, but. Oh, 3. Oh, a little rock bass. Just a little guy. Oh, he missed it, Jane. I said he missed it, not you missed it. Jane just caught one. What is it? Just a little rock bass? There we go. Just another little rock bass. Not too bad. All right, guys, got another one on. Oh, he missed the, oh, actually, no, he bit that. Not too bad. Just a little largemouth. Just a little guy. It keeps getting hit over there in that corner, but nothing's like actual taking it. Yep. Until now. Oh, I missed him. Oh, he keeps hitting. I literally just, he's hit it 3 times now. Garbage. What? I had the camera off, but just caught a little sunfish. And I can't get the damn hook out of his mouth. There we go. Just a nice little sunfish. I just threw it right underneath that little tree right there. Not even in the water, just plopped it in there like that. And then came out with the fish. But yep, got the next spot. There's usually some rock bass. Oh, he missed it. He's coming back. There's usually some rock bass and other types of fish up and along this little rock bank. He missed it again. There you go, Jaden. Nice little one right there. All right, guys. Just got 2. the next, well, it's not even a spot, it's just a little tree. It's got like a little 2-inch bass. I literally just threw it in right in front of this tree right here. And then look at that, like, I literally did the same thing when I caught that bass. Just a little sunfish. Oh, I don't even know if there's any more in there. I throw it in there. Are you kidding me? Oh, it came off. Here we go. Got a nice rock bass on. There you go. Got himself off. We have one coming forward. Come on, buddy. Come on, come on, come on. We're just trying to keep it off the bottom right now so we can bite it. Did you catch one? Hell yeah. What's that, 3? All right, we're gonna keep walking. Run off. Jaden's already caught one out of here. Had 2 come off right in front of him. But that's my first one out of here. Look at that, 2 back to back. That's what I like seeing right there. Little sunfish. Come on, open up your mouth up, thank you. I think that right here is just one big deep hole all the way through. There he is. Got another one, a little sunfish. Small little guy. Small little sunfish. Walk up and around. I'm getting bites right now. Just please take it. There's a bunch of bluegills over here, Jane. Oh, got him. All right, as soon as I touched him, he came off. There we go. Nice little largie. Oh, no, buddy, no, 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 no. Stop, stop, stop. Nice little, look, hooked him right there, right where he's bleeding. Popped himself off. See you, little guy. Good shit. Nice little largemouth on. Not too bad. Nice little guy. Walking down the creek. Threw it in a random spot. And got a largemouth. Jane, it's raining. Not too bad of one. We're gonna walk up there and use the bridge. Try to get out this rain real quick. Catch you guys in a little bit. This is the end of the video here. I gotta walk back like a quarter mile in the rain. Got my phone on me. This ain't looking too good. Whoo, it's deep. Like and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.